This is page 8.5 in your packet. First, we're just going to review exponents. Okay, 2 to the 0 power is always 1. 2 to the first power is 2. 2 to the second means 2 times 2, which is 4. 2 to the third power means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. 2 to the fourth is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 16. 2 to the fifth is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 32. If you ever say that is 2 times 5 instead of 2 to the fifth, you will see me rage. That is not 2 times 5. Exponents are never the base times the exponent. All right, we're going to talk about zero variables and numbers when the exponent is 0. I can't talk. Any number or variable with an exponent of 0 equals 1. It's a fact. 100 to the 0 power is 1. K to the 0 power is 1. 1/4 to the 0 power is 1. W to the 0 power is 1. And 2,563 to the 0 power is 1. Anything to the 0 power is always 1. Remember that. Now we're going to switch gears and we're going to talk about negative exponents. Negative exponents are illegal. Don't have them. When you have a negative exponent, move it to the opposite side of the fraction, and so it can make positive choices. So let's do some examples. I'm going to make this into a fraction. 4 to the negative 5, that negative fifth power, that negative 5 is illegal, but it's with the 4 there together. So in order to make better choices, because that's an illegal choice, I have to move the 4 to the fifth to the bottom of the fraction. And I can't have a fraction without anything on top, so I put a 1 on top. The next one, g to the negative 2. I cannot have a negative exponent. It is illegal. Make that a fraction. So the g squared has to go down to the bottom, which makes it happy. It's positive now, and I got to have a 1 on top to fill the space. 3 to the negative 9 is illegal. So I move it to the bottom, make it a positive 9, put a 1 on top. M to the negative third power, illegal. It becomes m to the third when I move it down, and I put a 1 on top of the fraction. Now, this next one, the 4 to the negative fifth power is in the bottom. So it has to move to the opposite side. So I'm going to move it up here. And I got to put something in the bottom if you want, or you can just leave it 4 to the fifth. But when you move it to the other part of the fraction, it's got to become positive. So that's the part that's making bad choices. To make good choices, I move it to the top. And just put a 1 on the bottom. 3 to the negative ninth power, making bad choices, so I move it up to the top where it can make good choices. M to the negative third power are making bad choices on the bottom. Move it to the top where it can make better choices. Only move the base, that's the big number, with the negative exponent. Numbers and variables without the negative exponents get to stay where they are. So, the illegal part of this one is the negative 5. And that goes with the z. That is the illegal part. So I'm going to go ahead and write the 8. The 1 can stay where it is. And that z to the fifth goes to the bottom. Okay? The only thing illegal in this next one is 7 to the negative 2 power. So the WV stays where it is on top, and just that 7 squared goes down. Don't make it 17. It would be 7 times 1, which is 7. All right? The illegal part in this next one is C to the negative 3rd power. So I'm going to copy the 1 and the 10B. I just copy them down, and now the C has got to change. It's going to go C to the 3rd. The only illegal part in this one is X to the negative 7th power. So I'm going to write the 3 down. I'm going to write the 4y squared down. Now I'm going to take that X and move it to the bottom and make the exponent positive. This is page 8.6. I want you to do the even ones. Don't do the odd ones. Okay? These first 3, just use your calculator. 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16. Circle the part that's illegal and then move that to the bottom. So let me do one over here to give you an example. I'm just going to do number 9 to show you. So my illegal part is this y to the negative 4. So I'm going to keep the 6x to the 4th power on top, and the y goes to the bottom and the 4 becomes positive. So that's what you're going to do for 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, whatever. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. When you're done, flip over to the next page. This is page 8.7. I want you to do this page. Do the whole thing. When you are done, turn all this work into me. Thank you.